In order to execute an FDS analysis on the CloudHPC, you have to log in at the website cloud.cfdverservice.it. Then you go to the storage and you have to add your FDS file to our storage. So you press plus, you make sure you have already prepared your FDS on your computer, and you just drag and drop the file in the storage and press save in order to complete the upload. Once the upload is completed, you just go to the simulations page in order to start the FDS execution. So you press plus in order to add a new analysis. You select the number of virtual CPU and cores, in my case is 8 high core. You select the FDS file you have just uploaded and the FDS versions you want to execute. Once you have submitted a job, you can click on View in order to see the details of your simulation, and at any time while the simulation is running, you can press Stop if you don't want to execute any further time step.